Have you ever felt trapped by your fears, by your doubts, by that inner voice telling you that you're not strong enough? Let me tell you something, and I want you to really hear it. The biggest enemy you face is not out there. It's not your boss, your partner, or your financial situation. The real enemy lives inside you, in your thoughts, your habits, and the way you see yourself in the world. But that ends today. Today you're going to learn how to destroy your weaknesses, take control of your mind, and awaken the power that's already within you. And no, this isn't an empty promise or fake motivation. This is Stoic philosophy, real, powerful, and life-changing. So stay until the end, because if you apply each of these lessons, you won't recognize yourself in a few weeks. You'll look in the mirror and see someone stronger, wiser, and freer. I promise you that. First lesson. Embrace solitude and learn to be with yourself. We're used to filling every second of our day with distractions, social media, shows, meaningless conversations, and constant notifications. Why? Because we're afraid. Afraid of silence, afraid of being alone with our thoughts. But here's the truth. If you can't be alone with yourself, you're at the mercy of everything around you. Marcus Aurelius, the emperor of one of the greatest empires in history, wrote that the soul grows stronger when it withdraws into itself. Solitude is not weakness, it's training. It's the gym for your soul. When you're alone without distractions, you begin to hear your inner voice. At first, it might make you uncomfortable because it challenges you, but it also guides you. That voice is your conscience, and that's where real self-knowledge begins. Today we live overstimulated lives, addicted to constant company, but a Stoic knows that true strength is built in silence and in the ability to be at peace with yourself without needing anyone else. So here's your first mission. Spend at least 20 minutes alone every day. No phone, no music, no noise, just you and your thoughts. Observe them without judgment. Learn to understand them, because only by knowing what lives inside you can you control it. Most people run from themselves, and that's why there's so much anxiety, insecurity, and emotional dependence. But you will be different. You'll use solitude as a tool, not as a punishment. Remember this: if you can't be at peace with yourself, you'll never be at peace with others. Whoever doesn't control their inner world will always be a slave to the outer one. Now the second lesson: accept discomfort as part of growth. Most people chase comfort, but if you're here, you're not like most people. You're not here for an easy life, you're here for a meaningful one. And purpose hurts. It's uncomfortable, but it's the only thing that will truly set you free. Seneca said, "Fire tests gold, adversity tests the strong man." You can't forge steel without heat, and you can't build character without pain. Discomfort is not your enemy, it's your ally. Every time you choose what's hard over what's easy, you're training your mind, shaping your spirit, and building your destiny. But we live in a world addicted to instant rewards, and that weakens you. Every time you choose the easy way out, you teach yourself to give up. If you want to stop being weak, you must go through the fire. Train yourself to face discomfort. Want discipline? Get up before you feel like it. Want confidence? Speak when you're afraid. Want health? Choose the healthy meal when your body craves junk. Every hard choice you make builds your strength. Epictetus, once a slave and later a teacher of emperors, said, "Don't ask for things to be easier, ask to be stronger." Discomfort is not an obstacle, it's the path. It's the proof that you're growing. So next time something feels hard, scary, or uncomfortable, smile, because that means you're evolving. Here's your second mission. Seek discomfort on purpose. Every day do something that challenges you, something that makes you feel internal resistance. It can be physical, emotional, or mental, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you don't run from it, you face it and overcome it. Don't be like most people who give up at the first obstacle. You will be one of those who rise, who train, who turn pain into power, because that's what a true Stoic does. And remember, you're not alone. I'm with you in every step. This battle isn't yours alone. Together we will break every chain. Third lesson: control what you consume, both mind and body. If you want to be strong, you must take care of what you allow inside, not only into your body but also into your mind. What you consume shapes you, it either builds you or destroys you. Most people live as if this doesn't matter. They eat anything, watch anything, listen to anything, and surround themselves with empty people, meaningless conversations, and toxic entertainment. Let me be clear, you can't have a strong mind with a weak mental diet. What are you watching every day? Who is influencing your thoughts? What messages are you consuming on social media, TV, or from people around you? Do they motivate and challenge you to be better, or do they drain you, distract you, and fill you with anxiety and emptiness? Your mind, like your body, needs nourishment, but not just any kind. It needs wisdom, reflection, and silence. Seneca wrote, "What feeds your soul should be chosen with as much care as what feeds your body." Your body is the vehicle, and your mind is the steering wheel. If you pollute one, you crawl. If you pollute the other, you get lost. This isn't about perfection. It's about awareness. It's about intentionally choosing everything you see, hear, and eat, because everything either brings you closer to your best self or pulls you further away. If you feel emotional heaviness, mental anxiety, or a lack of energy and direction, look at your inner diet. What are you allowing inside you? Lack of energy, direction, or clarity often comes from what you allow inside. Epictetus said it clearly, "It's not things themselves that disturb us but our opinions about them, and those opinions come from what we consume and repeat." Your third mission is to clean your environment. Remove everything that doesn't nourish you and replace the noise with content that teaches, uplifts, and challenges you. Do the same with your body. If you want energy, strength, and vitality, treat your body like a temple, not a trash bin. Eat what makes you stronger, move every day, sleep with respect, and breathe consciously. Do it not for appearance but for discipline, because if you can control what goes into your body, you can control anything. True freedom begins when you choose with courage what others accept by habit. Fourth lesson, do the hard things until they become easy. Listen, everything that feels difficult today can one day feel natural. What seems impossible now can become your comfort zone, but only if you push through discomfort again and again until you master it. It's not magic, it's repetition, consistency, doing the hard things until they give up. The Stoics trained for life by not waiting for it to be easy. They practiced cold, poverty, and discomfort to be ready for anything. Marcus Aurelius said, "The art of living is more like wrestling than dancing. It requires strength, readiness, and resilience." That's what you will do. Train every day, especially when you don't feel like it. Want confidence? Talk to strangers even if your voice shakes. Want strength? Work out daily even when it hurts. Want discipline? Make your bed every morning even when you're in a hurry. The key is not waiting for things to get easier. Do them while they're hard and soon they won't be. Repetition changes your mind, transforms your identity. You stop being someone who tries and become someone who does. Your fourth mission, choose one uncomfortable but necessary action and do it every day for 30 days without fail. It doesn't matter how small, it matters that you do it. Strength isn't in what you do but in your ability to do it when you don't want to. That's the power of Stoic repetition, building strength through habit. When you face difficulties again and again, they lose power over you, you master them instead of being mastered. Fifth lesson, don't cling to the past or the future, live in the present. Many people are trapped in invisible chains. Regret from the past, fear of the future, guilt, anxiety, uncertainty, but few truly live in the now where life actually happens. Stoicism teaches that only the present exists. The past is gone, the future hasn't arrived. All you truly have is this moment, and wasting it means wasting life itself. Seneca wrote, "While we wait to live, life passes by." How many days have you lost thinking about what was or fearing what might be? You can't change the past, but you can learn from it. You can't control the future, but you can prepare for it. Living in the present doesn't mean ignoring the past or future. It means giving power only to what you can touch now. This moment, this breath, this choice. Most people let their minds drag them between memories and fears, but you will break that cycle. You must anchor yourself in the present like a warrior plants his sword in the ground before battle. Your fifth mission is to practice presence. Every day for 10 minutes, just breathe and focus only on what you are doing. No distractions, no thoughts about what's next, just here, just now. Do it while eating, walking, working, or loving. Live every action with full awareness. Because if you can master the present moment, you can master your life. And never forget this, you are not your mistakes or your fears. You are what you choose to do with them right now. That's what defines you, that's what frees you. You don't need to be perfect or have everything figured out, you just need to begin. So look in the mirror and say it, today I am not a victim. Today I take responsibility. Today I don't hide. Today I face life. Today I choose to be strong, free, and stoic. And if you're truly ready to stop hiding and face your fears, prove it now. Go to the comments and write, I am a Stoic soldier. Write it proudly, stop hiding, and show the world your true power. Commit that today will be different, that today is the day you destroy your weaknesses and unleash your true potential. Remember, you're not alone on this path. I am with you, guiding you, but you must stay strong. Now go and live with purpose. Become who you were born to be. I'll be here waiting to fight alongside you again. See you in the next battle, soldier.